We're going to go ahead and attach the bodice to the skirt. This is step 17. Pin skirt to bodice right sides together, matching notches, centers, and seams. Adjust the eaves, baste using long running stitches, and stitch. So I have my skirt inside out and my top is right side. I'm going to go ahead and take it and tuck it inside of there. Now we have notches here in both the front and the back. It does not matter which way is front and which way is back. We're going to use our pins. And we are going to pin the notches. Okay, then I'll go ahead and I'll pin the notches on the other side of the skirt. Once I'm done pinning these, I will line up my side seams and I will pin here and I'll pin here, and then I'll ease everything else in and I'll show you how that's going to work. Now, some of you actually adjusted your bodice to make it smaller. If your bodice is smaller, mine fit perfectly, my skirt and my bodice. But if you adjusted your bodice smaller, then your skirt is going to be a little wider. So what you might want to do is actually run a basting stitch. Remember, basting stitch is your widest stitch on your sewing machine. And you might want to run a basting stitch all the way around your skirt. And then you can pull that basting stitch and it'll pull the skirt in just a little bit, and then you can work it around your bodice, moving that basting stitch to where it's not all gathered in one place. It's loosely gathered around the entire skirt, and then you can fit your bodice to your skirt. Now, once you do this, we're going to go ahead and stitch just like we've done with everything else. We are going to ignore this bottom part. It's wanting you to create a casing and then put elastic in. We're not going to do the casing or the elastic. This dress is going to be perfectly comfortable the way it is. So we're going to stitch 5/8 from the edge and then a 1/4 inch away from that, and then trim the excess off just the exact same way we did the side seams and everything else on this dress. So 5/8 and then 1/4 of an inch closer to the edge.